5 things I hate about my Silverado. The first thing I hate is I hate the auto start feature of this truck. Truck auto starts. No problem, right? Whenever you auto start this truck, no matter what the temperature outside, whether it's 98 degrees outside or it's literally in the teens, this truck automatically turns to frigid ice cold and blows the air as cold as it gets. And that's okay in the summer. Whenever it's cold outside, it's not very comfortable. I'd rather it not do that. And just in case you're wondering, it doesn't matter what you turn it to. It's going to go immediately to death freeze. The second thing I don't like about the truck is just how noisy this thing is after you turn it off. I learned through some research what's going on is the engine will actually still circulate coolant while it's trying to cool down. So even though it's turned off, it's still going to circulate coolant. So you'll hear clicks and pops and whirls and all kinds of noise after you shut the vehicle down, and that will continue, and it's way more than just the normal cooling down cycles of the exhaust or something like that. I'm also not a fan of the electronic parking brake. I don't know if you could hear that. I just don't like that. I would rather have a old-fashioned pedal with a mechanical linkage back to the brakes. Something else I don't like about this particular truck has to do with the Multiflex Tailgate. You press it down, it's pretty nice. There's no way to lock it on this custom truck. I just don't understand why there's no way to lock that feature out. Because if I've got something in the receiver and someone tries to put the Multiflex down, I run the risk of hitting it. So what you're supposed to be able to do is lock the truck and then hold this down for 7 seconds, and it's supposed to lock this feature out, but it doesn't. This feature will just stay locked, stay unlocked, and then once you unlock the truck, anyway, I don't know what's going on. I don't like that feature. All right, so the next thing I hate about this truck is really because of the price point that I purchased at. So this is a custom trim, and with the custom trim, you just don't get all the features that you think you normally would. One of the big ones is there's no armrest in the back seat for the back seat passengers. So my backseat passengers don't actually complain about that. Nobody's ever actually complained about it. It's just me. I prefer the backseat passengers to have a little comfort back there with the armrest, but nobody complains about it. Nobody really cares. I would like to see that though. On the lower trims, I don't think it costs GM that much money in order to put it in. Something else that I really hate about this truck is that it is an absolute troll magnet. Like, trolls love this truck because they can't comprehend that the engine that's in this truck wasn't just pulled out of a 94 Honda Civic and put in this truck. Yes, it's a 4-cylinder, it's a 2.7 liter, it tows 9,200 pounds, and it's a beast. But trolls love it, trolls love it. So please keep your troll comments coming. I enjoy responding to them. I like providing education to some people, but some people just like trolling, so it's perfectly fine. So actually I don't kind of hate that, but it is a troll magnet. So like, this is a bridge that trolls live under. The 2.7 liter 4-cylinder GM truck is a troll magnet. So listen, if you're going to buy a 2.7 liter 4-cylinder, you are going to have trolls all over the place that are going to tell you exactly what your truck can't do, despite you doing it all the time. So just be prepared. So all in all, those are a few things that I don't like about this truck. I don't have a whole lot to complain about. I've only got 27,000 miles on the truck right now, so it's not got a lot of age on it. It's only a little over a year old, but so far so good. I'm really pleased with the truck. I'll keep the updates coming, so my trolls will have plenty of food, but also people who love these trucks like I do, you'll be encouraged. And if you got questions about the 2.7 liter, you'll be able to hopefully get them answered. If you have specific questions about the 2.7 liter, this is the non-high output version. Let me know down in the comments below. And yes, even though it's the non-high output version, it's still rated to tow 9,200 pounds. It is awesome. All right, talk to y'all later.